in LJIT. Student, welcome to session number 4 of Theory of Error. Student, in this session I will explain about a topic, distribution of error to the field observation. So, when surveyor conduct the survey on a field, always be necessary to check the closing error. Whenever observations are made in the field, it is always necessary to the check for the closing error, if any. You know that in a theodolite surveying session, I will explain about the what is the closing error and how to eliminate this error. But the error is not directly distributed in a field observation, but some following are rule are there in a theory of error chapter. So I have explained a rule to distribute the error in a field observation. But first I have given an example. The sum of the angle observed at central triangulation station should be 360. You know that. If sum is not equal to 360 degree, the error is produced in a triangulation. So the error distributes the observed angle after giving the proper weightage to the observation. Second example. In a triangle, you know that the summation angle of summation is a 180 degree, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. But if the sum is not equal to 180 degree, so some error are produced in a triangle. So distribute the error in an observed angle like angle of A and B and C after giving the proper weightage to the observation. So what is the or which are the rule are following the rule should be applied for the closing error. So the following rule should be applied for the closing error. The correction to be applied to an observation is inversely proportional to the weight of the observation. Second, the correction to be applied to an observation is directly proportional to the probable error. I have already explained the concept of weight and probable error in a previous session. And third rule is, if all the observations are same weight, the error is distributed to observed quantity and therefore the correction is equal. So the third rule, it is easy. If all the observations are the same weight, means it is the equal weight. So error is distributed to observed quantity and therefore the correction is equal. Like conductor traverse on a field, there are 5 lines of the traverse. So include angle, summation of include angle of traverse is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. The traverse conduct of 5 line, so n equal to 5, so total angle is 540 degree. But on a observed value, the included angle summation is 539 degree, 50 minute, 50 second. So 10 second is the error. So you can directly 10 second divided by 5 equal to 2 second. So 2 second error is equally or correction equally distributed in an observed angle. But when correction to be applied to the an observation is inversely proportional, when weight is given in on a quantity, so you have follow this rule. Similar that probable error is given, so follow this rule. So I have taken in this session, student, I have taken based on rule number 1 and rule number 2 example. So I have explained in detail. First, I have taken the example of distribution the error in a field measurement. So first example, the following are the 3 angle observed at a station closing the horizon along with their probable error of the measurement. Determine the corrected value. So first you have find the here data is given angle of A, B and C with the probable error. So first step you have find which rule are used this example. So here given a probable error. So first rule, the correction to be applied to the observation is inversely proportional to the weight of the observation, but here weight is given. So first rule is not applicable in an example. The correction to be applied to an observation is directly proportional to the probable error. So probable error is given in an example. So second rule are used in this example because probable are given in a data. So here I have already explained the probable error. I indicate plus or minus sign. So here written a angle of A equal to 85 degree, 30 minute, 10 second plus minus 2. Similar that angle B is given and angle C is given. Now you know that first you have decided which are the rule used in this example. So the second rule are used because probable error is given. So the correction to be applied to an observation is directly proportional to the probable error. Now first step, sum of the three angle. So at this angle, so sum is a 359 degree, 59 minute, 50 second. So sum of the angle observed at closing horizon is a 360 degree. So here difference is 10 second. So 10 second error in a closing horizon when conducting the closing horizon. Now 10 second error are distributed in a observed value means A, B and C, but using the rule number 2. So the correction to be applied in observation is directly proportional to the probable error. So 10-second error distribute using this rule. So now solution. You know that assume that C1, C2 and C3 with the correction to be applied to the angle A, B and C respectively. Because A, B and C given in data is a wrong, not a corrected angle. When corrected angle, so summation is 360 degree. But here the summation is 359, 59 minute, 50 second. So this is a not corrected angle. So find the corrected angle with correction. So C1 and C2 and C3 correction to be applied to the angle of ABC respectively. So rule is says correction is directly proportional to the square of the probable error. So here given probable error is uh, in an angle A is a 2 second, in a B 3 second and angle C in a 4 second. So correction 1 James correction 2 means C2 James C3 equal to 2 square James 3 square James 4 square because directly proportional to the square of the probable error. So 4 Gem 9 Gem 16. Now you know that C1 is a correction of angle A as you assume. B means C2 is the correction of angle B and C3 is a correction of angle C. Now you know that the difference is 10 second. So C1 plus C2 plus C3 equal to 10 second. So you write the condition equation because C2 is dependent upon the C1 and C3 is dependent upon the C2. So C1 plus C2 plus C3 equal to 10 second. Now you know that solve this formula. You know that C1 by C2 equal to 4 by 9 and C1 by C3 equal to 4 by 16. So to make the subject of C2 and C3, because easily to put the C2 and C3 value on this formula. So C1 plus 9 by 4 C1 plus 4 C1 equal to 10 second. Solve the equation and we get the answer C1 equal to 1.38 second, C2 equal to 3.10 second and C3 equal to 5.52 second. So correction, first you have to find the correction. Now check the correction. So C1 plus C2 plus C3 equal to 10 second. So add them. So answer is 10 second. So is the right answer. So you have checked the answer of C1, C2, C3 correctly. So add them and check the with difference. You know that the difference is 10 second. So after the checking, here last step in the example find ask the determine the corrected value of this angle, not a correction. So here corrected angle of A, B and C. You know that here 10 second are less of the compared to the observed angle. So we have add the correction. So here 85 plus 30 minute plus 10 second already is given, but our correction is 0 degree 0 minute 1.38 second. So answer is 85 13 minute 11.38 second. Why addition them? Because the correction means error is in negative, so correction is a positive. So here correction to be applied as a positive, and last you have made the sum of this angle. So last answer is 360 degree 0 minute 00 second. So this method is used for distribute the error. Here 10 second is distributed following the rule number 2. No, cannot directly 10 second divided by 3 means 3.33 second and add all the observation angle. This is a wrong method. Here the 10 second are distributed follow the rule number 2. The correction to be applied to an observation is directly proportional to the probable error. Why this rule is used? Because here given a probable. Now second example, adjust the following angle closing the horizon. So first angle A, B, C and D is given, weight is given. So here little bit different from previous example. Weight 2, 3, 1 and 4 is given, means A quantity measured by 2. You know that what is the weight? Weight is an indicator number and uh, which times how many times the quantity is measured is given a indicate the number. Like angle A is uh, find by 2 times, so is weight 2. Similar that angle B is find by 3 times, so is weight angle 3. Weight 3. Okay. Now, first you know that the closing horizon angle 360 degree. So first you have add sum of the four angle. So answer is 360 degree, 08 minutes, 08 second. So here error in a positive, so correction is a negative because 8 second is more uh, in a addition. So difference is 8 second. So hence each angle is to be increased. The angle of 8 second is to be distributed in inversely proportional to the weight of the observation. Why this rule? Because here weight is given. So rule number 1 is applied. The correction to be applied to an observation is inversely proportional to the weight of the observation. So rule number 2 is applied, 1 is applied. So here correction C1, C2, C3 and C4. I have already explained in a previous example. Is a correction to be assumed that the angle of A, B, C and D respectively. So C1 gem, C2 gem, C3 gem, C4 equal to here correction should be inversely proportional to the weight. So here 1 by 2. So first angle you know that weight is a 2, 3, 1 and 4. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 1 and 1 by 4. So here 1 by 2 gem 1 by 3 gem 1 by 1 gem 1 by 4. Now this equation multiply by 4 because you have find the ECD, the value of C1, C2 and C3 and C4. So multiply by with 4. So here 4, 4 by 3 gem 4 gem 1. Now you know that the equation C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 equal to 8 second because 8 second is difference. So this is called as a condition equation. So write the condition equation C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 equal to 8 second. Now C1 by C2 equal to 6 by 4. So second C1 by C3 equal to 1 by 4 and C1 by C4 equal to 2. So put the value of C2, C3 and C4 in this equation and try to find the C1, C2, C3 and C4 means correction value. So C1 is 1.92 second, C2 is 1.28 second, C3 equal to 3.84 second and C4 equal to 0.96 second. Now solve this equation and find the C1, C2, C3 and C4. Now check. So add all the correction and check the answer with difference. So you know that answer is 8 seconds, so it's right. So correction to be find. Now find the corrected angle. Here corrected observed angle minus correction because 8 second is more value means more than the 360 degree. 360 00 minute 08 second is the greater than the 360 degree. So here error is in positive, so correction in negative. So correction in negative. So minus with observed angle. So final the answer is angle of A is 112 degree 20 minute 45.08 second. Similar that find the B, C and D corrected value and then add them and last answer is 360 degree 0 minute 00 second. So this is the distribution error using the rule number 1. The correction to be applied to an observation is inversely proportional to the weight of the observation. So first example I have explained means here use the rule number 2, and second example is the rule number using the rule number 1, depending upon the using the rule number 1. So thank you so much, student, watching this video. In this video I have explained the following rule are used for distribution of error in a field measurement, and I have taken two examples. First example based on rule number 2, and second example I have taken based on rule number 1. So thank you so much for watching this video.